Now guys, is PAWS actually giving us a listing date on Wednesday? That's going to be the talk of town right now, as I did see a lot of people actually celebrate thinking that PAWS is actually going to be listing on Wednesday. And the reason as into why that is happening is going to be because of this picture right here that got posted by PAWS. So in this picture, you can see it's more like a meme whereby people are going to be sitting in a flight, and on that, right, they're looking at their screens, and you do have these get paused text right here, and then there's even a pause logo, and then there's going to be a Wednesday at the back right here. So everyone else is going to be excited thinking that, hey, PAWS is actually getting listed on Wednesday. But I do have my reasons to believe as into why that is not going to be the case. So if you do enjoy the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, because we're going to dive in a little deeper and you're going to understand why I am saying that PAWS is also not going to be listing anytime soon. So why that's going to be the case is going to be because of where the market is going to be at this moment. So you can see over the past weeks, we've had a lot of economic data came out and the markets have been doing bad, guys. So if you already know, PAWS is going to be on the Solana blockchain, and Solana itself right now is going to be trading at $105 all the way from the $200, guys. So this is actually something that we have to pay close attention to, because right now, if PAWS were to launch, right, it would face the same situation as into what happened with Toma. So if you do remember correctly, we did have the tomato airdrop whereby we were farming Toma and everyone else was going to be excited about this project. But what happened with it was we got launched in a bear market whereby the markets were doing so bad. So because we launched in a bear market, nothing happened with it. We only had a pump for a week and then we've been bearish through out. So right now the case with PAWS is that if they were to launch their token right now and get it onto these exchanges, and again, if you're looking for an exchange to trade on and also an exchange whereby you're going to be able to accumulate some more PAWS on, it is going to be Bybit. So the link to Bybit is going to be down in the description below. They do offer so many rewards with it. So if you want to literally get some free USDT, then I would recommend that you use the link that's going to be down in the description below. But as I'm saying, right, they are going to be avoiding this situation right here, whereby if they were to launch right now, this is going to be what's going to happen, because a lot of people, right, even if you come to the PAWS website and come down here, you can see that, you know, it was a record breaker with more than 75 million who joined the project within 2.5 months. So imagine out of these 75 million people, right, 30 million people actually got the PAWS airdrop. What do you think is going to happen to the price if PAWS actually gets listed, right? Everyone else is going to be broke, so they will be looking to sell for a profit on launch date, which is going to be the listing date itself. So if they were to start selling, it would actually just create way more selling pressure. So we've seen this on all Telegram airdrops, and we already know that PAWS is actually going to be coming from the Telegram ecosystem, and then it had to migrate onto Solana. So right now, come April 9th, right, which is going to be Wednesday, I don't think we should be expecting a listing date to actually be announced on Wednesday. And what we should be anticipating is going to be something more of like, you know, a PAWS 2.0, whereby you're going to start farming PAWS for season 2. So with season 2 as well, you can see already that, hey, right now we should forget about the listing itself. And currently they are going to be also at the Paris block week, and also right there we do have PocketFi. So already PocketFi mining also ended, so we should be anticipating the switch token, which is going to be PocketFi's token, to actually get listed anytime from right now. But right now these projects are going to be on pause because, you know, the market sentiment is not on. So really, for me and for how bullish I am going to be on PAWS, if they want to do well right now, right, and I believe they've even talked about this within the team itself, if they want to do well right now, then they have to wait until the market is going to look super enticing because if they were to launch right now, then this is the scenario that I'm talking about, whereby we should be, you know, expecting this to go all the way down. Like literally the price is just gonna push down, so we're gonna be in a bearish trend, and that's not gonna yield anything for the PAWS team itself. So we just have to be super patient on PAWS. Already, if you did end up getting, you know, PAWS right here, to some of you that actually got PAWS, for me, as you can see, I didn't get eligible, and I wasn't actually eligible for the PAWS airdrop, and that was because, you know, I stopped farming it. So I'm just gonna confirm right here, and then we're gonna check my eligibility. So you can see I don't have any PAWS to claim. So if you did get eligible, then I'm pretty sure then you do have all your PAWS on Bybit. So again, as I'm saying, even if you were to come onto here and you search for PAWS, they did even have it on their launch pool. We should just wait for right now, right? So, you know, PAWS token airdrop, it's going to be right here. So they've really supported it. So really, you just have to be super patient and wait on the official listing date. Nothing is going to be happening on Wednesday. I do believe it is just going to be a day whereby they're gonna announce their plans and also maybe even get a PAWS you know, season 2. So again, that's all the news that I had for you guys in this video. If you did enjoy it, remember to subscribe to the channel and smash that like button, and also comment down below your thoughts on PAWS, and if you do believe that, hey, maybe PAWS should actually be listing right now. And I will be seeing you guys in the next video.